Does my hair look stupid? So I have my base on, and I'm going to prime with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eyeshadow Primer. This is a little baby one I got at work. So we're gonna try her out. I don't really use like colored primers because I don't know. The ones I have tried, I don't really like have good experiences with, but I guess we're just gonna go in with this one. I'm just gonna go in with like the sponge I use with my concealer. Okay, we are primed. And the first palette I'm gonna go into is I'm gonna grab the Star Wars Mandalorian The Child palette. This is so cute. I love Baby Yoda. I have never watched The Mandalorian. I really don't have any desire to, but I do love Baby Yoda. And I think this is gonna be like a good base for us to like build off of. Oh my god, look at him right there. So we'll wait. Love that. So I think this will be like a good like base to like build off my crease or whatever. So I'm just gonna grab a crease brush. I'm gonna grab this It Cosmetics Airbrush Precision Shadows. This is like a flat shadow brush. And I'm gonna grab Babyface, the green here, and throw that, I guess, into my crease. It's definitely like more, I guess, like minty, I guess you could say. So I will be going like over that with another color and another ColourPop palette. But I just want to like lay this color down first. So like when I think of St. Patrick's Day, I think like bright green, like bright, like, I don't know, just like not like a, definitely like not forest green, like not, you know, just like green, like what you, like the first thing you think of when you think of green is what I always like associate like St. Patrick's Day with. Okay, so we have that color kind of like on. Now I'm gonna grab my Powerpuff Girls and ColourPop palette. This is also like such a goodie because this has a bunch of great brights in it. So it has like this really good like green right here. So I'm gonna take just the same brush. I'm gonna swirl into that one and then kind of take this like right on top of that other green we did. Then I'm gonna kind of just start blending it up. So I'm packing the color with it like this, like flat. So I'm taking it flat on my eye and packing the color. Then I'm flipping it to the side and blending side to side. So right here, I'm just like packing. I'm gonna flip it and then blend. Yeah, so this is more of like the traditional green route I usually like see. It might be a little bright, but I think it'll like tie in once we start adding like a darker green to like build some dimension. I think that's what's gonna really like bring it together. And I think with this, I am gonna like flare it out a bit. So we'll see what we can do. So I'm leaving the lid like completely bare because we're going to add our shimmer there. I'm gonna go back to the Child palette and I'm gonna grab this called what is it? Float Your Crib. Just like a darker green. I'm gonna grab this JH33 blending brush and I'm going to grab some of that and then pack that on the outer edge of the eye. I feel like you could have easily made this like a spotlight eye or a halo eye, but I didn't want to. So I feel like I've been doing a lot of like a halo eye lately, so I'm gonna kind of take it a little bit more traditional. So I am kind of just scratching the color on the edges and then flicking out. Then just kind of like packing in that color on the edge here. And yeah, you see that kind of like toned it down a little bit. So that really like brought it together a bit. Then I'm really going to like blend out these outer edges. So again, packing the color first. So I think since I already have like my base makeup on, I'm just gonna go ahead and just do the lower lash line while I'm here. I'm gonna take this Ioni Cosmetics crease brush. I'm gonna grab the same Float Your Crib color and just run that underneath the lash line. Going back into the Powerpuff Girls palette with the, you know what I've gotten? I really got into the habit of like using my color switch. So I'm just gonna take the same Ioni palette and color switch the color out. And then I can just dip into the Powerpuff Girls palette and use that green. Again, this is kind of one of those looks that liner and lashes will bring everything together. So I think, ooh, for like the inner corner, I got this e.l.f. Cosmetics Melt eyeshadow stick. And I think I'm gonna shove this in my waterline. Because why not? Oh wow, this is like super crazy. Not gonna lie, that kind of made my eyes water. So I don't know what's going on there. Maybe I'm supposed to put that in my eye. So for our lid color, we're gonna take Miss Fenty Beauty and of course the iconic, I almost dropped it, in the iconic Trophy Wife. Now, this is the, of course, perfect gold color. Stunning, she is reflective, she is the tea. She is the moment.
And she is the moment.
Well, she's been the moment, but whatever. So I'm gonna take, I think I'm just gonna take it with finger and apply it that way. So I'm gonna take it on my finger and press it. Oh, yes, okay. This is giving exactly what I wanted it to give. Pretty, oh my god, yes. So Trophy Wife as eyeshadow, of course, is iconic. Oh, yes, she is so good. Live for this. I'm actually just gonna, I think I'm just gonna highlight with this too, because I don't have any highlighter on. So I'm just going to go on in, okay. And then I think I'll use a brush for like my face. I'm gonna take my Anastasia 23 brush because it's nice and like domed and like flat. So I think it'll just pick it up really well. Oh yeah, okay. So I guess we're just gonna like take it there and just make it be a Trophy Wife moment. So Trophy Wife is very like glittery and glimmery. So it does kind of like fluff everywhere, which is, I mean, it's not an issue for me. But you kind of have to like place it first and then kind of blend it. Yeah, kind of something like that. Because then if you try to do like blending motions while you're trying to pack it on, it's going to like fluff everywhere. I'm living. This is very, very pretty. Let's put on some mascara, shall we? Keeping in the green theme, I just tried the Urban Decay Wild Lash Mascara. I did do a whole TikTok on this. Okay, so I actually just got this super cute Ioni Cosmetics eyelash curler. And I want to give this a try. I got it at Dollar Tree, of course, where I get all my Ioni stuff, typically. And it's cute. It's pink, so not really my favorite, but it's cute. Ooh, this is like really like springy. This is more springy than my usual like eyelash curler I use. I'm just going to, of course, go in. Like, I feel like I'm gonna rip my lashes off. I don't know if that did a very good job, but let's go in with the mascara. This mascara is very pretty. It's just like very wispy. It's not super like dramatic or anything, but it does really like enhance your lashes. I wish I was ambidextrous so I could just do like my mascara with my left hand, but my left hand is so useless that I could not do that. Ooh, that would be like a good video concept, like doing my makeup with like my non-dominant hand. That'd be kind of fun. Actually, I think that'll be the next video I'll film. Very cute mascara. And then I am gonna pop a lash on. I have this new pack of Ioni lashes. I'm kind of living for like this little pair up here. Super cute. That pair is called Lavender. So I'm gonna pop that on. Okay, so the lashes are on and they're looking very pretty, very wispy, very soft, which is exactly what I wanted for like this kind of look. I didn't want anything like too extreme because I wanted the kind of eye look to kind of be its moment. And honestly, for brows, I have my Estee Lauder brow pencil. And I think I'm just gonna, so this has a pencil and a powder in it, and I think I'm just gonna feather through some powder because I'm like not in the mood to like do some brows today. I'm gonna go back to the Child palette and I'm gonna grab this little like highlighty white gold shade. Oh, this is it's like bouncy. It's like a, here, like I don't know if it'll pick it up on camera. Oh yeah, you can. It's like creamy or something, and then nothing's going on the brush. Oh, a little bit. Oh, I want to ruin this pan. Okay, well, okay, a little bit came off. Actually, you know what? I have this Moda Cosmetics brush that's like a silicone applicator. Maybe that's what this is for. Oh yeah, there we go. So it's just like a white gold that I'm gonna use to just like highlight the inner corner. It's so weird. This is a cream. I don't So I feel like a lot of eyeshadow brand or like palettes are starting to come out like with this kind of style that has like a cream shadow into it or like a cream shadow in it, and I'm not into it because it's weird. It's weird. Like, I do not want a cream in my powder like palette. It's like, do you remember when like brands would make, I'm pretty sure, well no, I think even Luxe brands do this, so they would make like a blush and bronzer palette and then have like lip glosses in it, just like dead ass like in there, and then you would like get powder in the lip glosses and it would just ruin the lip gloss. That's what that like reminds me of, because if you get powder into this, it's gonna like seal. It's going to seal, or it's like you can't even have this that long because it's gonna dry. I don't know. I mean, the color is pretty, but it has that payoff because it's a cream. So I'm not like living for that aspect of it, but whatever. Oh, actually, I don't have any bottom lash mascara on. What am I doing? I'm gonna take my Bad Gal Bang, which is on its last leg. I know, I feel it. It's super like, I think it's starting to really dry. But this is just so good for the bottom lashes. Tops, whatever. Bottoms, yes. Some bottom lash mascara, great. Okay, so I have this Jaclyn Cosmetics lip liner. This is in the shade Butter Pecan. And I'm going to line my lips with this. Okay, so that's super pretty, but not dark enough. So I'm gonna go with Wet n Wild Chestnut. Yeah, and just darken that up a bit. I know I've already used this like in another video, but this is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Mint Melt Lip Gloss. This is, I got it for $1, and you can hate if you want to, but I don't care. This is in a chocolate chip, and I think with this gloss, it'll be so pretty. I mean, with this lip liner. That is super pretty, love that. All right, and then we're just gonna top it off with, this is the only like green setting spray I have. So this is the Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist. Just got my Piggy fan back. I'm not one to usually love a green eyeshadow. Do love this. I did love my KKW Camo Collection look too. Maybe I do like green eyeshadow. I'll link that down below. But this is the look I came up with. Now, of course, St. Patrick's Day isn't just a holiday where everybody gets trashed and everything's green. So if you know the history behind St. Patrick's Day, then please note that it is not just another day for you to get trashed. Please respect the holiday. Please respect anybody that celebrates it. And of course, I just made this video to be just fun and lighthearted. But if you guys like this video, then don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment down below. Do you celebrate St. Patrick's Day? Are you a person that loves green eyeshadow? Are you not a person that loves green eyeshadow? Because I feel like I used to be, but I feel like I do. But we shall see in the future. Now, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.